Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add one business email, a web-based email to your Apple Mail. So let's say you already have all these details. Your IT guy must have provided you these details. So the email which I'm going to add is POP email. There will be two types of emails. One is POP or IMAP. Currently I'm going to add POP email. If it's IMAP, there is only slight difference. The number will be changing. The port number will be 993, but as it's POP, it will be 995. So this is the email ID. The first step, you open your Apple Mail. Then you have all these options, which I will show you next time. These how can we use it. Currently we will be using email other mail account. So select this one. Click continue. This will be your display name, so I will type it hello. Then email ID, password, then click sign in. It will show error because we didn't fill all the details. So first copy incoming mail server, then change it to POP, paste it here. Outgoing mail server also the same details, paste it here. So let's say when it comes to your email ID, you will have to replace it with your domain name. So if your domain is abcd.com, whatever it is, you have to type it here. It will be mail.yourdomainname.com. Then email ID, you will have to fill it again. Then click sign in. Yeah, that's it. Now the email is set up already. Yes. So this is how emails can be configured. Currently 2 emails only because this is just a fresh email I created. Whenever you create email from the cPanel, you will get all these details. So as I said, if it's an IMAP email, the details will be same. You have to select IMAP, then 993 will be the port number. Then outgoing mail server port number will be 465, and always SSL will be selected. If you have any questions, you can comment here. I will reply to your questions. Please subscribe for more updates. Thank you.